Hi friends, Ashish this side. So today there were a lot of queries from teachers that how they can upload bulk questions, okay, to the openquizzes.com platform because uploading question one by one is very tedious for them. So we also provide a platform, a homepage where you can put bulk questions, like you can put thousands of questions in one go. You can have an Excel sheet, and in that Excel sheet you can just post all the questions. Okay, so we'll quickly begin. All your questions, as you already know, I have already told in the earlier video, all your questions and quizzes will come in the home page, in the latest quizzes sections. Also, if you have created your own home page, so let me show you your own home page of uh, Japanese language homepage, Japanese language training center homepage is there. I'll just show you. Okay, so so once you bulk upload all those questions, you will find them downwards in your own homepage also. So these are the quizzes. Okay, and in each quizzes, you will get a lot of questions. So these questions is you can upload. You can bulk upload. So primarily, I am going to just tell you how to bulk upload the questions. Is okay. Uh, so first of all, what you have to do is you have to just create an account. You can go and you can create a free trial account so that you can upload quizzes and questions. I'll just quickly show you how. So you just come to Register Institute and just you can create. So through Quizmaker app only. Last time I told you how to create one question. Today I will tell you how to create multiple questions is bulk upload. Okay, so I already have an account. So account you can just register here. It's free of cost. Okay, I already have account, so I will not create account for you here. I'll just log in. I'll go my account, and I'll just put my credentials there, and that's it. I'll just log in here. Okay, great. So once I logged in, you can see this new menu has appeared here. It's Institute menu. From here, I will go to my Create Quiz menu, and again it will ask me to validate, and it is because there are teachers who have multiple quiz accounts, so it will again validate which quiz account you want to make quizzes, and it will fetch the data. So actually this user has created a lot of questions, so it will take some time, but yeah, it quickly loaded up. That's great. Now let's create a quiz. Let us name it. I will just go from scratch how you can create a quiz, and then how you can add, upload a bulk questions to that quiz. Okay. So let us create a quiz called shapes. Okay. And shapes, let us give it visual arts or something, some subject. What is good? Okay. Anyway, let it be visual arts. I'm just adding a quiz. So the process is, first you add a quiz. If you already have a quiz, that's fine. If you don't have created a quiz, first you have to create a quiz. Once you create a quiz, then you have to add questions to it. Okay. So I will skip. So this is a form where you can create, you can add. This is a form where you can add questions one by one. But I will skip this form because this I have already covered in another video. Today I will show you how you can bulk upload all the questions. Okay, so just we created a quiz, as you remember. So that quiz will appear here. Okay, and what was the name of the quiz? Animals. No, it was shapes. Why it is not coming here? Just give me a second. Oh, it gave an error here. Why? Let us try again. Maybe because of some network issue. Now it is shown the form was sent successfully. Okay, let us see. Does it appear here or not? Oh, great. Oh, two. So now we have created this quiz called shapes. Okay, I want to upload my questions here. Okay. So before uploading, I will just tell you there is a sample file. You can just click here so that you can fill that file. Okay, you can download it and you can fill. I've already created a sample file. I'll just quickly show to you. Okay, it's shapes.csv. So this is a file which is loaded with questions. I have just loaded 3 questions. You can load multiple questions. Okay. So basically, see, yeah, all the details about how, which field, what you have to fill, it is already given here. But I will walk you through once more so that you know. So first is a question title. Name is something where, if you want to give more details, you can put it in name. Sorry for this. It's basically the meaning of this field is description, but yeah, just leave it as name only. Then this is uh, answer info. This is what you will get an image. Okay, and you can fill all these questions. Okay, like hint is there. This is the audio hint. Then there is a these are the answer options. Okay, answer option 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 options are there. Each option has points and whether it is correct or not. So if it is not correct, then that means it is 0. If it is correct, it is 1. So if you see, the ball is a sphere, right? It is not a circle. It can be a circle, but if we give an option as sphere, then it's a sphere. Okay, I have marked it as 1. Okay, similarly for the next question, what is the shape of a monitor? Okay, so it's a cube. I have marked this as 1. Shape of a can, it's a cylinder, marked this as 1. So these are the three. There can be like hundreds of questions which you can fill in this just in Excel sheet, and you can quickly upload. Okay, I'm going back to the upload bulk upload screen. I have chosen the quiz. I think I pressed the button 2 times, so it has created 2 quizzes. Sorry for that. But anyway, I hope you understand the idea. And now I will choose the file, shapes.csv. It's a CSV file. CSV means comma separated file. Okay. So the sample, as I already told you, you can download from this button. Click here. You can download the sample how to create. Okay. You can see the help here. I have already created, so I'm just opening it. Okay. And Ashish Vilwaj this. I have chosen the file. Let's click upload button. So now it is uploading all those 3 questions. Okay. It will take some time because it is validating a lot of things in the back end, whether the questions are correct or not. And okay, so now it is all done. If you see the question selector, see all the new 3 questions that have come. What is the shape of the wall? What is the shape of the monitor? What is the shape of a can? Okay. Now let us quickly see whether these questions appear in the home page or not. Okay. So I'm going back to the home page. Visual art shapes. I created 2. I think this must be blank one. This should be the one where those 3 questions must have been uploaded. Let us see. Yeah, we got it. What is shape of a ball? What is shape of a monitor? What is shape of a can?